What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be giving you guys a spring twist update. So as y'all know, I did this installation on my sister's head last week, and while I was installing the hair, I noticed that the hair would get frizzy. So I told her it seems like what she might have to do is end up twisting the hair so that she could get more out of the hairstyle. And this is what she ended up doing eventually. I'm just going to be giving you guys a snippet of the installation video. I'm going to leave a direct link to that video in the description below. This is a snippet of the braiding pattern, and here I'm just applying some emu oil into her scalp so that it stays moisturized. She decided to twist the hair. Some of her review on the hair is that the hair is actually very heavy. I feel like next time if I do this style, like if I were to do the style on my head, I probably would just do the twist directly to my hair. That way I could control how many twists I put. But when you are using the mesh, which my sister prefers because her scalp is very sensitive, when you're using the mesh, you kind of have to fill it out so that you don't have any gaps. But she ended up twisting the hair. It took her 4 hours total. She did an hour each day for 4 days. And this is the result. I feel she did a very good job. Her hair is already growing out, but it's not pulling any tension on her edges or anything. Her hair is doing great, and it almost looks like passion twist. Which is very nice. I really love the color of the hair. Let me know in the description, what do you think? Did you prefer the crochet or did you prefer the twist, the actual spring twist? I actually prefer the twist. They look really nice, and I know this hairstyle is gonna last her a long time. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.